Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stacey and today I'll be doing a twist out using just a single product. So let's get into the video. So I just co-washed my hair and I'm going to be using my Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. I really love this product because it has great sleep, which is something I always look for in every conditioner or any product in general. So I really love this product. Words can't even explain. Moving forward, I'm going to apply the product onto my hair and I'll begin twisting. About the twist, I'm just going to show you a couple of them, how I do my twist. If you want details, I have a video on my channel on how I do my mini twist. I'll leave the link in the description box so you can check it out. Because this product has great sleep, it was able to help me to detangle my hair, which is very important while you do your twist. You want to make sure your hair is completely detangled before you start twisting. Now my hair is completely dry and I'll proceed to unraveling the twist, but before I do that, I apply some oil to my hair to reduce friction and not to cause a lot of frizz. In this case, I use jojoba oil. You can use any oil you have. So I'll just unravel my twist going in the opposite direction, and then to separate the curls, you just want to make sure you separate the curls where they naturally want to part. Don't force any curl, else you're going to have a giant frizz. So just be careful while you unravel. This stage is very important. So while I unravel a couple more twists, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Comment, like, and share for more videos like this. Leave a comment below on the next video you want to see from me. I'll be very grateful. Oh, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. At this point, all the twists are completely unraveled and this is the result. Normally, I'll go in with a pick comb, but the way I unravel them, I think I already have the volume that I need for day one. So I'm not just going to use a pick comb, I'm just going to leave it like that. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. But for the meantime, you can follow me on Instagram for more pictures.